Hey folks, it's Kelly at Wylie Sprayers in Abilene, Texas. Today I want to show you a special order sprayer that we ordered in for a customer. This sprayer has a 100-gallon tank. It's got a 14-foot manual fold boom on it. This sprayer has a Remcor 12-volt electric Viton seal on-demand pump. So this pump will pump up to the pressure it's set at and then shut off. It'll come back on when you need more pressure. This unit comes with a pressure regulator, manual controls for the boom and the hand wand. It's got a 15-foot hose and a hand wand. Comes with a nice stand to set it on when you take it off the skid steer. This customer has a cab skid steer, so this thing comes with a skid steer quick attach bracket. So it's quick attach. You can take it off and on the skid steer in no time. If you're interested in this unit or another unit to fit your needs, please call Wylie Sprayers at any location. Thank you.